at right now? I was looking at the clouds in the sky. I was looking at the clouds in the sky. Children, according to the timetable, which class do we have today? It's English comprehension. And what is the name of the topic? The name of the topic is Clouds in the Sky. But before we start, can you tell me what is the day today? The day is Thursday. And what is the date? The date is 18th June 2020. I think you all must have observed that the weather is very cloudy these days. So you can easily see different kind of pictures, images in this cloud with your imagination. Okay. Now, let's begin with our topic today. What is the topic? Clouds in the sky. What is the topic? I hope you all are having your comprehension books in front of you. What is the topic? Clouds in the sky. So, Miss Hina is going to read out the comprehension for you, and then later we are going to understand that how we have to solve the question and answers in the book. After that, you have to complete the question and answers in the comprehension book and submit it in the Google Classroom. Okay? Don't forget to turn in. Now, let's begin with our topic. What is the topic? Clouds in the sky. What is the topic? Don't forget to write your date, on the top. Don't forget to write date and day on the topic. Now, the topic. You have attentive and you have to read the topic along with Miss Now, okay? Now, children, can you see the screen? Yes, being clouds. Clouds in the sky. What is the name of it? Duck. The clouds look fluffy to them. The clouds look fluffy to them. Now, what they have seen first? They have seen a duck. Alex looked at the white cloud. It looks like a duck. He said, to me. Now, can you see the next line? To me, it looks like a big dog. Emma said, to me, it looks like a big dog. Alex said, it looks like a duck to me. And Emma said, it looks like a big dog to me. She pointed to another white cloud. She pointed to another white cloud. What about that one? She pointed to another white cloud. What about that one? What did Emma say? She said that Alex said it looks like an octopus. Have you ever seen an octopus in the clouds? I have seen it many times. You know, I have also seen an elephant in the clouds. And now she pointed to another white cloud. What about that one? Alex said it looks like an octopus. Now, to me, it looks like a bunch of balloons. Emma pointed to another white cloud. Now they have pointed to another white cloud. It looks like, what about that one? Emma pointed to another white cloud. First she asked that, what about that one? She asked, what about that one? They were actually playing together. Both of them were looking at different clouds. They were thinking that, for me, it looks like a big dog. But she was saying, for me, it looks like a big duck. Then later they have said it looks like an octopus. And then Alex said, no, to me, it looks like a bunch of balloons. Now, what about that one? It looks like a man with a long beard. Alex said, have you ever seen this kind of a cloud in the sky? A man with a long beard. Now, to me, it looks like a tree, but to Emma, it looked like a tree. To Emma, it looked like a big tree. Emma pointed to a dark cloud this time. Then she said, you can see many dark clouds right now these days, right? Now she has seen, they was looking at the dark cloud this time. Now they have seen, they said, now tell us, what about that one? What about that one? Now Alex said, it looks like a car with people in it. It looks like a car, a big car with lots of people in it. But to Emma, to me, it looks like rain. What did Emma say? She said, it looks like rain to me. Then they raced back inside and watched the rain pour down. Suddenly, it was raining outside. It began to rain outside and they had to go inside. They had to run inside because it was raining outside. But if I would be standing outside in the cloudy weather and it started raining, I would love to enjoy rainy weather. Do you like rainy weather? Do you like to have fun in the rain? I can see you all. Azeen, I can see you. Are you? And Abiha, Varda, have you ever played this game at your home? Ibrahim, Ayan, Imran, I hope, can you please show me your comprehension book? Are you holding your comprehension books in front of you? Oh, wow, Yushe, I can see you all. Yushe, you're here too. Wow. No, now, can you see a cloudy duck on your screen? A dog, an octopus. See how interesting pictures can we see on the screen right now. The balloons, a dog, a balloon, an octopus, and a car. Yes, I think I can see some of you are lying down on the bed. Please, can you sit properly just the way we sit in the classroom? Very good. Anaya and Asma Bashir, Nabila Khan, Muhammad Omar Asif. You all are listening. You are very attentive right now. It's good to see you all. You're listening to me. Now, it's time to understand that how are we going to write the answers in the comprehension book. All you have to do is you have to do it on your own. As you can easily read the comprehension from your comprehension book. Miss Hina has already read the whole comprehension for you and it is very easy to understand. Now we can do the question and answers in our book and then ask your mommy or your daddy to take a picture of it and then submit these pages in the Google Classroom. Wow, the question and answers are very, very interesting. Aren't they? They're interesting and I think they're very easy to do. Now see, question number 1. Circle the correct answer. Where does the story take place? Do you remember? Where were they sitting? Do you remember where were they sitting? You can easily find the answer in the comprehension, the passage. You can easily find the answer in the passage. On page number 38, the answer is there. All you have to do is you have to find the answers on your own. Now, next, which cloud was probably dark gray? The cloud that looked like a duck? The cloud that looked like a man with a beard? The cloud that looked like a horse? Or the cloud that looked like a car with people in it? All you have to do is, remember, we do not circle the whole sentence. What do we circle? We circle only the alphabets. What do we circle? We only circle the alphabet to refer for our answers. Okay. Now, number 3. When does this story take place? At what time they were sitting outside? Right after it rains? Right before it rains? On a Thursday night? On a clear day? You all know the answer? You can move your heads up and down so I can see on you. Don't forget to write your answers in the chat box. I am reading all the answers. And I can see all your answers and I can see you all. Harim Fatma is there, Abiha is there. Everyone is here now. Now question number 2. How many clouds do Emma and Alex see in this story? How many clouds? All you have to do is you have to count the number of clouds. Don't count it twice. For example, if they are saying, Alex, look up at the white cloud. It looks like a duck, he said. And Emma said, it looks like, to me, it looks like a big dog. That means it's one cloud they're talking about. They're talking about only one cloud. But to Alex, it looks like a duck. But, and to Emma, it looked like a big dog. So we are going to consider it as a one cloud, Okay, so you are not going to count it at two clouds. Got it, children? Did you get it? Please write your answers in the chat box. And I want you all to please sit properly, sit straight, just the way you used to sit in the classroom, or else please switch off your video. Please sit properly, just the way you used to sit in the classroom. Very nice, very nice. This is your classroom, and your Miss Inai is in front of you. She's sitting in front of you, explaining you. So you are supposed to sit this the way you used to sit in the classroom. Very good, children. Now, question number 3. Alex saw a cloud that looked like an octopus. What did Emma think it looked like? Now Alex has seen an octopus in the sky. What do you think Emma has seen? What do you think she has observed? What was she imagining? Okay. Now if you turn the page, I think this is very easy exercise and you all can easily do it on your own. Now question number 4. Very, very interesting. It is kind of a game that you can easily play at your home. Now, fill in the missing vowels to create words from the story. You have read the story very carefully. Have you read it? Have you read the story very carefully? If you have read the story very carefully, this question is very, very easy for you to do. Now, fill in the missing vowels to create words from the story. Then write the full word on the line. Be sure you spell each word correctly. Just do one thing. Let's start playing this game right now. Write your answers in the chat box. I can read your answers in the chat box. So just start writing your answers in the chat box. Now, number 1. P, and there is a space, and underline is there. CKY, then RD. Now you have to find the answer. Yes, very good, very good. You are so smart that you have found your answer. The clue is already given to you. Clue is land behind a house. Yes, very good, Muhammad Hansala. Very good. Yes. Muhammad Shah Shahid, very good, correct. You are right. If you know the answer, you can write the answers in the book right now. Quickly write the answers in the book. We are doing this question right now. It's very easy. All you have to do is read the clue and write the answers. Very nice. Number 2. You are so smart that you are writing the answer number 2 as well very fast. Very good. Okay, number 2. Clue, sea animal with 8 legs. Right, Katif. Very good. Muskan Zubair, very good. You all know the answer. You can write the answers and try to show it on your screen, on your camera, okay? I'm also seeing all of you. Musa, I can see you. Musa is smiling now. Number 3. Clue, hair on man's chin. What is it? Yes, correct. Kamal, Muhammad Ibrahim, very nice. Anaya Danish, your answer is right. Very good. Now number 4, clue. The clue is ran. Yes. Number 4, yes. Anaya Danish, you have, yes. Kamal Wasim, yes, you are correct. Rajab Ali, you are correct. Yes, the answer. It's a very interesting game. You can also create this kind of game at home and play with your siblings. Now, number 5. This is related to a topic. What is it? Very good. Very quick. You all are very quick. Very good. Clap for all of you. Very good. Very nice, children. So I think this comprehension is Very easy for all of you. And you can easily do it at your home. At home now, children. Cloud, cloud, very nice, very nice. All of you know the answer. All of you know the answer. Cloud. What was the first answer? Now let's do it again. What was the first answer? What was the first answer? Quickly write your answer. Backyard, very good. What was the second answer? No, I'm asking about the second answer. What was the second answer? Octopus, very good. Number 3. What was the third answer? Bed, okay. Number 4. What was 4? Race, very good. Hussein, Kate, very nice. And what was number 5? Yes, what was number 5? Muskan. Number 5 was cloud. Children, can you see many clouds behind me? I think these were the pictures, these were the images that I have imagined when I was looking at the clouds. I was lying down outside and I was enjoying the beautiful cold night, and I've seen many clouds, and even in the daytime I've seen many clouds up in the sky. And you know, I've seen a very cute cat, and I've seen so many different things in the clouds. I enjoyed. You can also enjoy playing this game at home. Now children, this is the page you have to do. Can you see it? This one you have already done with me, and I really enjoyed playing with you all. Okay, now after doing this, all you have to do is, what you have to do, can you tell me in the chat box what you have to do? Quickly tell me, fast. Oh, you have done, Nabila Khan, very good. You have done the whole comprehension. Very nice, very quick. Who else has done it? I have done too. Sarim, very good. Sarim from class 2C, I guess. Sarim, very nice. Oh, wow. Most of you have done it. Very nice. You all are very quick, and you are very quick and very smart, I think. Intelligent student. Very good. Now, take a picture of it and upload it in the Google Classroom and turn in. Till then, I think we all have done all the comprehensions in the comprehension book. Now, children, do you want me to read out the passage one more time? Do you want to ask anything? Okay, I can see Muhammad Ibrahim is raising his hand. Do you want to ask anything, Ibrahim? I'm unmuting your mic, okay? Unmute your mic and just ask the question. Ibrahim, yes, you can ask me. Ibrahim, unmute your mic and ask the question. Okay, now Nabila, do you want to ask anything, Nabila? Unmute your mic, children. Oh, so many children are raising their hands. Wow. Amatun Noor, you want to ask anything? Unmute your mic, beta, and ask the question. Mohammad Faizan, Hafiz Muzammil, Rayan. I'm unmuting you, and you have to unmute your mic, and you can ask the question to Miss Hina. Please. Hamza. Okay, who is Del? Please change your name. How would I know? Is your name Del? Should I start calling you Del? Please rename it, okay? Next time whenever you join the class, rename it. Yes, Hamza. Hamza?
तुमने raise hand किया था?
Ask anything? Yes, Hamza. Mariha?
Miss,
Kashif? Katif. Okay, Katif.
we have to do only one
Muhammad, who is raising the hand? I can see you are raising the hand, but it's Hanzala. Huh, Hanzala? Are you raising your hand? Yes, he's moving. Just raise your hand. Hanzala is raising his hand. I'm okay. I'm going to unmute you and you're going to ask the question, okay? Muhammad Hanzala. Children, there is an option given to you if you find there is an option. All you have to do is you have to click it. Okay. Then Miss Hina will see you are raising your hand. Mariha,
When does the story take place?
please unmute your mic. Hamza Farooqi, you're saying something, but I can't hear you. Okay, Mariha, yes, your mic is unmuted. Do you want to ask anything?
Miss,
Yes, Mariha. Yes, Mariha. No, then no. Okay. Next, please. Next, who wants to ask anything? Rayan.
Please repeat the answer of
Okay, Rayan.
number 2. Please answer the question number 2.
Hansala, write the answer. Write the question in the chat box. Write the question in the chat box. I'll answer you.
Answer of question number 2.
Okay, answer question number 2. You want me to answer question number 2? Who is saying? Hansala. Rayan. Peter, unmute your mic. I can't hear you. If you want to ask anything, you have raised the hand. Ask the question on. Unmute your mic and ask the question.
Please repeat the answer of question number 2.
Okay, next. Who is? Miss page, question number 3, page 39. Okay, Sajjad. Page, question number 3. How many clouds? Are you asking about this one? How many clouds? 3. Alex saw a cloud that looked like an octopus. Alex saw a cloud that looked like an octopus. What did Emma think it looked like? You can see it's over here on page number 38 that Alex has seen that the cloud looked like an octopus. Now, what was Emma thinking? What was Emma thinking? May I give you a hint? A bunch of. That's the hint. Now find the answer. Now question number 2. How many clouds do Emma and Alex see in this story? As I've told you before that you are going to count only one cloud. For example, if Emma is saying that the cloud looks like a big dog to me and Alex is saying that the cloud looked like a duck to me, that means it is counted as only one cloud. Okay, you are not going to count it as 2 clouds. You're going to count it as 1 cloud. So all you have to do is you have to count the clouds. Be very careful while reading the passage and then count the clouds. Did you get it? Question number 2 was asking, whoever was asking about question number 2, I've explained you, okay? Now, question number 3, I have already explained. Sumer, do you want me to explain it again? Kamal, you can unmute your mic and please ask the question. Kamal, I can't hear you. Kamal, your mic is unmuted, beta. Ask the question. Yes, Kamal. Do you want to say something? Mohammad Umar Asif is raising his hand. Ibrahim Ahmed wanted to ask something. Ibrahim Ahmed. Umar Asif. Yes, Umar Asif, beta. You want to ask anything? Who is typing this? Please do not type unnecessary things in the chat box, please. I can read all the chats. Umar Sheikh, your mic is unmuted, beta. You can ask the question quickly. As Miss Hina has to say goodbye to all of you. No? Mazabid? Mazabid, do you want to ask anything? Okay, children. That's all for today. I hope you all will do this work and upload it in the Google Classroom. See you next time. Till then, take good care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.